I got Straight Talk, you know. Straight Talk Verizon is what it is. And I tried to pay my bill. It's due tomorrow, right? Tried to pay it. And it wouldn't accept the expiration date on my Visa card. What the hell are you doing? I'm not stupid. I'm doing it right. It's the right. It's the number that's on the card. No, it's not acceptable for some. So I dig out my other card. I try that. Same thing. Expiration date. I'm typing it in right. I'm not stupid. And you go try to call, and you got to go through all kinds of BS with their electronic voice stuff. And it's an idiot. If you can't answer a question, you're an idiot.